Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find private key on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap. After that, you just need to go and then connect your wallet. So go to the top right corner and connect your wallet. But if you don't know how to do that, we have a separate video on our YouTube channel where you can go and check out how you can do that. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have the trade, explore, and pool. We have the search tokens and the swap anytime, anywhere. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find private key on Uniswap. Well, for your security and peace of mind, it's important to understand that Uniswap does not directly hoard or provide private keys. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that interacts with your wallet, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other Ethereum wallet to facilitate transactions. Private keys are critical for accessing and managing your cryptocurrency funds, and they should be handled with extreme care. Here's how you can find your private key in MetaMask, which is one of the most commonly used wallets with Uniswap. So, launch the MetaMask extension in your browser and unlock your wallet and click on account icon. So click on the MetaMask, so as you can have the extension, so you can open it like this. And then you just need to go and collect your account details when you go and enter it, which you have of course here. Then when you go to account details, guys, then you need to click on export private key. And then after entering your password, you'll see your private key. Ensure your store is securely and never share it with, of course, anyone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything. Bye guys.